there, Sandra here from createinspain. Now, my last video I showed you how to create sentiments like this one, and now I want to give you an alternative method for lining up the cut lines on your scan and cut. If you do not have the print to cut function, you will need to line them up somehow, and there are basically two ways. You can do it on the screen on your machine itself, or you can actually do it on your laptop or your desktop. Now, if you're not very keen on using the very small screen which is on the machine, then this offers you a much better, much easier alternative. And to be honest, it's pretty quick and it's pretty easy to do. I've got the same file that I've used before, and this is what I want to print out. Now, the difference is I do not have to print this off by exporting as a PDF. I can print it directly from Shortcut Slot. Just press print and off it goes. I don't have to worry about registration marks or anything else. Now, I have my cut files switched off so you can't see them. I can put one on. The one on Get Well Soon is on there. Switch it off like so. And I have exported an SVG with my cut lines in, my cut lines only. So I've exported those as an SVG and I saved them on my desktop. So now I'm going to close this down. And you can see I've got this image already on my mat. Now, how do you get it onto your mat? It is very easy. You print it off, you put it onto your scan and cut mat, and you scan it into the machine. Now, on your scanning options, when you look at your scanning options, if you press the right arrow, as in direction right, you will find there are a couple of more options on the scanning. You can scan to USB or you can scan to canvas, and that is what you want to do. When you've selected scan to canvas, it will do that and it'll say, yeah, it's ready, but it doesn't automatically show up in here. Your page will be blank. Go to File and Import from Cutting Machine, and you import the scanned image. Click on that and the image will show up. Next step, lock it. You don't want to move that because it's put in position on your mat already. It's still in your machine. You do not remove it from your machine. You do not remove it from the mat. So now all you need to do is add your cut lines. Go to File and you go to Import from your computer or wherever it is that you've stored it. Mine is labeled Test SVG, so I open that. And as you can see, it's not where it's supposed to be. What you want is to select all of those and you want to drag it over into place. And if you do need to do any minor adjustments, you can do that with your arrow keys on your laptop as well as dragging. That's an easy way of doing it. You then go to File and you export it. And obviously you can't transfer an image anyway. Transfer the FCM via the internet, which you do, and then you set your machine to cut and off it will go, and it will cut these things where they are supposed to be cut over your printed image. Job done. So if you do not have the scan and cut, print to cut card, don't worry. You can do it that way, and it's to my way of thinking, it's easier than doing it with moving things around on the machine screen. So that's it. Hope you found that useful. It is a feature that we tend to forget, or at least I tend to forget, that you can transfer your scanned images to your laptop. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.